Reduce sugar chiffon cake secrets. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned baker, these top 5 secrets will help you achieve the perfect chiffon cake every time. First secret: proper egg separation. Be meticulous. Even the tiniest little bit of yolk in the egg whites can sabotage your chiffon cake. Secret number 2: stiff peaks. While whip the egg whites to stiff peaks with a touch of cream of tartar or lemon juice, this stable foam structure. Secret number 3: half sugar and use real chocolate. Real chocolate in the chiffon cake make a lot of difference, not just the cocoa powder. Secret number 4: gradual folding. It's all about folding. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the egg yolk mixture, but don't overmix. Secret number 5: upside down of the correct pan handling. Remember, after the baking, immediately invert it over a rectangle. This keeps your cake from collapsing. By following these secrets with precision and patience, you can increase your chances of baking a flawless chiffon cake every time. If you like my channel, please click the subscribe button. Hanker it. Bye!